Hi everyone, today I'll be going over Winter 2015's final, question 2, part 4, which is asking how many bits are needed for the set index and the block offset for this certain system. And this system is comprised of 32-bit addresses with a cache size of 2 megabytes and a 16-way associative cache with the same number of bits in the tag as there are number of bits in the block offset. So we can just create our address to be the leftmost bits with our tag, and then some number of bits for the set index, and some number of rightmost bits used for our block offset. And then we can use the equation of the cache size equals the number of ways in the set times the number of sets there are in the cache times the block size for the cache. We'll also fill in what we know. Cache size is 2 megabytes. And then block size, number of ways is 16. And since these are all powers of 2, we can extract this is to 2 to the 21, this is 2 to the 4. We can just basically use the adding exponents, since instead of multiplying, we'll just add them together. So 21 equals 4, which is for the number of ways, plus some number of bits for our set index, plus some number of bits for our block offset. So then we subtract this, 21 minus 4, 17. So we know that our set index plus our block offset require 17 bits of our virtual address. So then we can just make this little note here. This entire portion on the right side is 17 bits. And since the address is only comprised of these 3 parts, we can infer that the remaining bits of our 32 bits and the address is the tag. So 32 minus 17 means we have a 15-bit tag. And that's final. And since we can use this fact here that the number of bits in the tag is also equivalent to the number of bits in the block offset, our tag is 15 bits, so that means our block offset must also be 15 bits. And then using the remainder of our 32 bits, 32 minus 15 for the tag, minus 15 for our block offset, means our set index must be 2 bits. And then add them all together, 15 plus 2 plus 15, gets our 32-bit address. So finally, in our system, we have a 16-way associative cache with, if you have 2 bits for your set index, which means you have 4 sets, and a block size of 15 bits means you have a 32 megabyte block size. And answering your questions, bits needed for the set index is 2. And bits needed for the block offset is 15. And I hope this helps with your studying.